Hello guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make money on opay without referral. So right now, the first thing you need to do right now is to go to the Play Store and on the Apple Store to go download the opay app if you know you haven't downloaded the app on your phone. And by the way, I'll be leaving the link to the opay app in the description. Just click on the link in the description right now to go download the app. So right now, once you're done downloading the app, you'll be asked to create your account. You could create your account with your first name, your last name, your BVN, your NIN, and with your national ID card. So once you are done creating your account, you'll be able to log in into your opay app. So right now, I'm going to assume you guys already downloaded the app on your phone. So right now, I'll be logging into my opay account right now to literally show you how you could make money on opay without referral. So once you click on the opay apps, you could see right now this is how the opay apps look like, and you're gonna be asked to fill in your password. So you need to set up a password if you know you haven't done that. So right now I'll be inputting my password right now to show you how you could make money on opay without referral. Guys, okay, it's still asking me to put in my password, so I'm going to literally do that real quick. So guys, yeah, I just logged in into my opay app right now. You can see right now this is how the opay app look like. So you can see, for those of you who do not know what the opay app is all about, it's just an in-banking platform where you could make transfers, you could do transfers, you could pay for airtime, you could buy data, you could pay for bills like GoTV subscription and DSTV subscription. And by the way, there are a lot of things you could do on opay. Opay have a lot of features on it, and it is very reliable. So right now I will be looking on how you could make money on opay without referral. So right now, the first way you could use to make money on opay is through the cashback option. So you could literally make money with the cashback option. What I mean by the cashback option is once you pay for something, maybe once you buy a data, you're gonna get a cashback. So once you buy a data, you're gonna get a cashback. That is just how it is. So you could write down, once you buy data on opay, once you buy a 500 naira data, you're gonna get 10 naira. So once you buy a 1000 naira data, that is 1.5 GB, you're gonna get 20 naira. So once you buy 1500 naira data, you are gonna get 30 naira. So right now you could literally make money from this. So right now, let me do the math for you guys. So let's just say you are literally buying a data of, let's just say 500 naira let's just say every day. I'm just doing it as an example to tell you how much you could make with this. So let me pull up my calculator right now. Let me pull up my calculator to show you how you could make on opay. So let me pull up my calculator for you guys. So it's right now, once you buy 500 naira data, you get 10 naira. So let's just assume you are able to buy, like, for those of you who buy data a lot, maybe you are able to buy data for like 1 month. Let's just say 1 month. Let's just say times 30. So 10 naira times 30. Sorry, 10 naira times 10 naira times 30, which is 300 naira. So you could literally make 300 naira every month on opay once you buy data without referring anyone. So you could literally make money on opay by the cashback. So you could make money on opay without referring anyone. But if you know you want to refer someone, you are gonna make 800 naira from one person you refer. So opay is gonna pay you 800 naira per person you refer. So I would rather prefer that than all. But if you know you don't want to make, if you know you don't want to refer someone, you could literally earn money from the cashback. And by the way, if you are thinking you want to go with the referral program, so you know how to get people to sign up on opay, you could use Facebook, you could use Twitter, you could use Snapchat and all of that to get traffic. So right now, what you need to do right now is to come over to Facebook. Just come over to Facebook right now. You could literally invite your friends who don't have an opay account. So once you invite one person, you get 800 naira. And by the way, once you use my link, you're gonna get 2200 naira, because my link is a special link. I work with the opay. My link is a special link. So right now, in order to get people to sign up on opay, you could literally go join Make Money Online group. So you could just search for Make Money Online group on your Facebook. So I'm using Facebook as an example. So that is how I make money on opay. So just searching Make Money Online group, Make Money Online group. So you could literally join a bunch of group on the Make Money Online. Just searching Make Money Online group, and it's gonna load up a bit. So you could usually see this is the Make Money Online group. So once you need, all you need right now is to join a bunch of Make Money Online group. So once you join a bunch of Make Money Online group, you could go to the members right now. Just go to the members. Just go to the members option right here. Just go to the members option. You could literally locate the members option right here. So once you click on the members option, you'll be able to see how many people who joined the group. So you'll be able to see how many people who joined the group. So first thing you need to do right now is to join the group. The first thing you need to do right now is to join the group. So once you join the group, you'll be able to message people. So once you message them, you're gonna ask them if they have an opay account. So you could literally make friends with them. So once you make friends with them, for those of them who do not have an opay account, you could literally invite them, tell them what opay is and what opay is all about. So you can literally see this group has 47,000 people right now. You can see right now this group have 47,000 people to tell you the amount of money you could make. And also you can also make posts on this Facebook group. So in order to message them, just click on these members, and right now you could filter them. You could filter the members to the place you are in. You could see right now these are my friends who are in the Make Money Online group, and you can also filter them by those living in Lagos. So like I said, if you are getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome video on that. Just click on select. So it's gonna load up. You could see right here, these are the people on the Make Money Online group. So you could literally start messaging them one after the other, start adding them as friends. So you now need to introduce opay to them, to tell them do they have an account. So once they create an account using the opay app, you are gonna get 800 naira. So let me quickly do the math. You could see right here, you could usually message this guy right now and ask him. But before you just ask him, don't just message him and ask him do you have an opay account. No, don't do that. You need to first make friends with him. So after you already make friends with him, you could start then asking him if you have an opay account and that. So let me quickly do the math right here. You can see right here, this group has, like I said, it has 740,000 people on this group, because right here this group has 740,000 people on this group. So let's just assume out of this 740,000, let's just assume 1% of them do not have an opay account. Let's just say this is 140,000 people. Let's just say 10% of them do not have an opay account, or let's just say 1% of them do not have an opay account. So the 1% of 740 is literally 740 people. So let's just say these 740 people sign up on using your referral link on opay. Let's just see 740 times 800. So you could see right here, this is the amount of money you could make using the opay app. You could see right here, you're going to make 592,000 naira alone on the opay app. Like me, for example, once I invite someone, I get 2,200 because my link is a special link. So like I said, once you register with the opay app on my link, once you use the opay app, once you create an account with the opay app using my link, you're gonna get 2,200. I also gonna get 2,200. So right now you could see the amount of money you could make from opay. Like I said, if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now, turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime I drop awesome video, because my channels are about make money online, business and tech. So on my channel I share with you tips and strategy you could use to earn some passive income using your phone. So if this is what you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment down below to tell me your thoughts about this. And also, that was how I was able to make close to 21,000 naira using the PalmPay app. So that was how I was able to make 21,000 naira using the PalmPay app. And also, if you want to learn how I make this money using the PalmPay app, I'll be leaving the link at the end of this video. You could literally go watch the video on that. So you can see right here, this is 21,000 naira on my PalmPay account. You can see this is 21,000 naira. So you can literally make money using Facebook group. You can use Twitter, you can use Snapchat, you can even use TikTok, right? You can use TikTok. So you can literally leverage the use of social media to get people to sign up with either PalmPay or opay. So if you know you are interested in the PalmPay part, I'll be leaving the link in the description. And also, if you know you want to learn how I made $2,000 every single month, I'll be leaving the link in the description right now. Make sure you go check out the link. Make sure you check out the link. So if you're getting any value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop some video. So the video is going to be popping up right there on how to make money using the Pampy app right now. Go watch the video. Let's go.